Oppo is unveiling new A5 Energy Edition. This is the third member of the A5 series. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Oppo A5 Energy Edition has a Dimensity 6300 chipset. This is a powerful chipset and with an addition of octa-core CPU. Battery will be 5800 mAh with 45 watt fast charging support. There is an IPS LCD touch screen display with a 6.67 inches display screen size with 80 plus resolution. There will be dual camera setup back on this amazing phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and second is 2 megapixel camera. There will be under display optical fingerprint scanner. There will be 8 and 12 GB of RAM and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. Oppo retained the ColorOS 15 interface, 360-degree NFC and IP69 certification. It also promises military-grade durability, similar to vanilla counterpart. Oppo A5 Energy Edition is available in amber black, jet green and other colors. The price is $165 for 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and $195 for 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and $220 for 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. That's all for now and thanks for watching.